About a month ago, I purchased this old dresser from an estate sale for $10. I sanded the whole piece down, painted it a blue-gray Beyond Paint color. I stained the dresser drawers, and I gave it some new pull-style handles. I listed it up on Facebook Marketplace for $200. The next day, I got an offer for $150. The next day, I got an offer for $100. I ended up countering with $150, and he took it. I think this dresser turned out super nice. I really like the blue with the stain of the dresser drawers. Turned out really, really awesome. What do you think? About 2 months ago, I picked up this old dresser from Facebook Marketplace for 10 bucks. And I just started sanding it down the other day on the top there. I wanted to see how many layers of paint we were working with. This dresser is pretty nice. It'll be a nice contender. The drawers slide in and out very, very smooth, just like butter. The only thing it really needs is new hardware, new paint job, of course, and some legs. It is sitting flat on the floor. I'm not sure what happened to the legs, so I'm thinking about maybe ordering some legs off of Amazon or eBay, or adding some planks of wood on each side, like one right here and then one on the other, and have them placed just a little bit inwards, so then it won't be perfectly flush. It'll look like it's supposed to be there. I also have this dresser over here. I picked this up off of the curb in my neighborhood for free. It's a really nice piece. We got some particle board action going on up top. I've been filling that in. Had a little bit of water damage right here. Been working on that. My plan is to paint the whole piece white. And we have 4 wooden drawers. I'm going to stain and seal those drawers. Give it some new hardware. And I think this will be a really good contender for maybe a $300 or so dresser. I think it'll look really, really nice. It's got some nice legs on the bottom. Definitely kind of a more of a like maybe mid-century modern dresser, I think you would call it. But I think this is going to turn out really, really nice. That is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new project video. Don't miss out on any of these future projects. I'm always getting new pieces in. I'm always looking for new stuff to do. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks a lot for spending some time with me today, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.